Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, the Abby-licious, and for today's video I will be doing a slick down ponytail using braiding hair. So this is super simple and easy. It's beginners friendly. If you don't know how to do your hair, this is a quick, easy hairstyle to do. Anybody could do it. Like, you don't have to be professional hairstylists or any of that to do this hairstyle. So stick around, and also if you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be the first to get notified whenever I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. You honestly don't really need that to be freezing spray, because the Shine and Jam actually makes my hair feel slick enough. But I am going to be wearing this ponytail for a couple of days, so I am just going to spray this on there just to be safe, just keep it as neat as possible for the days that I'm going to wear it for. Well, there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know and give me a thumbs up. This is my first time doing a ponytail, a braided ponytail. I think so, I'm not sure. I think it's the first time doing it on myself, so I decided to film this video for you guys, for a lot of people out there who don't know how to do this and who wants to do this quick and simple fun way to do your hair without having to do all that. And it just takes literally probably about 15 minutes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.